Hi, we're going to show you how to use the extra items icon on the side here. When you click on it on the toolbar, this is extra items such as screws, things like that that you might want to add, labor, anything like that. So we're going to click on the new item and we can put a description in. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually use say wood dowels, and my reference could be just dowels. Quantity I'm going to leave as 1 for now, because that we can change later on. I'm going to put a width, height and depth in. So let's use 10, 10, and at the bottom here we'll make that 30. Price, we can put in a price here at the moment. So let's make this 50 cents each. Group is going to be what it's going to come under. So I'm just going to put this as wood for now. Wood fix actually might be better. Category I'm going to use as wood, and here I could actually select a category that's already in our catalogs. So you can see them all sitting there. I'm just going to leave it as none. Tick here, and then I can put a little description in, and I've got it set add to the favorites at the bottom, little tick. Okay, now if I go back to the tab and I click, and I'll go into the favorites, just to show you I've already got quite a few in here that I've created. Going down to the wood dowel, and I can change the figure here by 1 at a time, or I can actually just type in what I need, say 100. If I close that, we're going to go into budget. So we've got prices set. That's just payment terms. Go into my budget. I'm just going to scroll down. And if we keep scrolling down to the bottom, under manufacturing process, and I go to there, it shows me wood, and there's my dowels. And at the moment I've got 1 dowel at 50 cents, and then I've got 100 dowels at 50 cents, which is the 50 rand. So it pulled that information in from what I created. Now just to show you, I tried to change the price in here. It doesn't allow me to because it's already pulling it through from the original, and they are set at 50 cents each. This is just showing you from the tab at the top what you can see. Going back in, I can open that tab again, the extras items, and you'll see under extra items I've got 2 there. If I click on them, I can open it up and I can change the quantity and price here as well. If I want to open a new one, I can put something new in. Or if I go to my original tab, I can scroll down. If I put a tick in, that's what it's going to accept, that's what's going in. I'm going to delete that one, yes. And if I go into my standard one, I can also just highlight it and click the delete button. At the bottom, if I go in the standard one, I can change the quantity at the bottom. I just put the amount in and click out of the area, and it automatically updates for me. So I go back into the quotation. And if we scroll down, we've got the one in there that we've created. Let's do something a little bit different. Now I'm going to add out of my favorites, I'm going to add some things that I've already created. So let's add some nails. These are the pin nails. And maybe sealant. There we go. So now I've added the dowels, the sealant, and the nails. Okay, let's go back into budget. Scroll right down to the bottom again. And over here you'll see now we've got the nails, the sealant, and the dowels. It's been added to the project. Now what we can do is we can open our Cut Pro. Let's open the project. Let's pull the Cut Pro up. There we go, it's opened up. And you'll see at the bottom, it's got the three things. It's got our solvent, or sealant should I say, our wood dowels and our pins. The reason we've got red squares there is because we don't actually have any measurements on that. We could actually type them in, but obviously we don't need them for that. And in the production list, all three are there with the quantities. So the dowel, I have put all the measurements in, that's why they're not red. So it's really just highlighting that they haven't got sizes. And if we go back to production, where they all are. So you can add this into your production list. You just have to manually add how many screws, how many dowels and sealant, or even hours to work. Thank you.